Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable developer options and USB debugging on Android or grant screen sharing on iPhone. Connect with a USB-C cable first so the computer recognizes the phone. This avoids Wi-Fi discovery issues. Install the matching app or driver on your laptop, Phone Link, Samsung Flow, or SCRCPY for wired ADB mirroring because the software creates the bridge. Once the PC prompts, accept permissions on the phone and choose file transfer or trust this computer so the stream can begin. Once the app sees your phone, open the mirroring session and choose the phone as the source. You do this because the laptop needs an active input to render the screen. Configure resolution and frame rate. Lower them if latency spikes, increase them for clarity. Enable input capture to let your mouse and keyboard control the phone. If you want wireless convenience, switch to Wi-Fi mode only after confirming a stable wired session. This ensures credentials and permissions are correct. To finish test interaction, click, type, and play audio so you confirm control and sound forwarding work. If you see lag or freezing, reduce resolution or frame rate, then test again. This trades fidelity for responsiveness. Should the connection fail, reboot both devices, update the mirroring app and drivers, and toggle USB debugging or re-authorize the computer. If wireless discovery fails, switch back to wired to isolate Wi-Fi or check firewall rules on your laptop that may block device discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.